क्योंकि इतने टाइम से आप लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे कि आप जो फ्लाइट के लिए मेकअप करके जाते हो, अपना स्मोकी आइज वगैरह वो आप बताओ. सो टुडे I have decided that I'll tell you everything, every small detail. So let's start the video without any further delay. तो शुरू करते हैं. First you have to hydrate your skin. So you can apply any toner like गुलाब जल, कुछ भी apply कर सकते हैं. I have already applied. So we'll go with a moisturizer. I'm तो using very normal moisturizer because that suits my skin. You have to moisturize your skin well. The thing is which I want to tell you that people forgot to apply moisturizer here, so make sure you are applying it well, something like properly. So we'll not forget about our lips, so we have to moisturize our lips also. Here I go. Then okay, so after moisturizing we'll apply primer. I'm not gonna tell the brand name because they are not giving me money, so I'll apply a primer on my face. The part you want to highlight, you have to apply it where, like this is what I want to, something there. So yeah, apply it well. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इसे पूरे फेस में नहीं लगा सकते, लगा सकते हो, बट प्राइमर इज द थिंग, लाइक प्राइमर इज फॉर द बेस. आई एम यूजिंग इट एज अ हाईलाइटर बिकॉज इट हैव अ हाईलाइटर thing also, so that's why. So ब्रांड नेम्स के लिए तो ब्रांड को मुझे कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट दैट मच popular YouTuber right now. I'm not that popular YouTuber right now, but one day if you'll support me, I will be. So yeah, primer is applied properly, so we'll start with our eyes, because what I think is when we have already created a base and then we'll do the eye makeup, this part will having a lots of eyeshadow, so that's why I'll start with eye makeup. Because I'm a bit sick today, so I'll start with the foundation, applying on my area which is quite black right now. Kindly ignore the background noise because sorry, I'm shooting this video in evening, so the part which I am carrying is the amount of foundation I'm carrying. I'm looking for my mirror, so yeah, I got it. So the amount of foundation I'm taking it, I'll apply it. I'll apply it on here, okay, here, bit more. Yes, so yeah, we have to blend it properly. I'll use a sponge and do it properly. I hope you all can see it properly. And I'm telling you guys, don't do like this, don't rub it on your skin, do tap 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 tap. Because my skin is not skinning today, but still I'm trying to suit it for you all. So yeah, it's done. We'll go with a bit of, I'll take a bit of loose powder on my brush. This is eyeshadow brush, but I'll use it for this also. Here it's done. Now I can, my base is already ready, so I can now apply any kind of eyeshadow which will look pretty good. So let's start. So as I told you, I'm gonna do the smoky eyes. So here we'll start with something dark in my corners. I'll go with a dark brown shade. I'll go with a brown shade. So here's the brown eyeshadow. I have taken it. I'll hold my brush like this. I just have to dab it like this, and then here, and then dab, dab, dab. Because it's a smoky eye, it should be just have to dab. So yeah, it's done. Then I'll take a bit of black kind of eyeshadow. On the same brush, I'll take it. I'll just dab it like this. I hope you all can see. So yeah, it's pretty good now. Now my outer corners are done, so I'll start with a very light shade of peach in my mid area. Where's my mirror? In my mid area, I'll apply it like this. Just for the touch. We'll take a bit of shimmer, a dark shade of shimmer, and we'll apply it on a mid eye. You have to apply it like this from finger, because I feel finger is the best way to apply the shimmer. So yeah, it's done. Yeah. Can you see? Is it good? So yeah, it's done. I have to remove it from my fingers. So it's almost done. So we'll take a kajal, as it's an smoky eye. So yeah, we'll take a kajal. We'll take a brush which is very flat brush. Take a kajal on it like this, and you have to smudge it. It's almost done. I have smudged the kajal also. I feel that I feel that after applying eyeliner it will look more beautiful. So I'll quickly go and apply it. I'll be back to you shortly. So yeah, after giving a very pretty shape, I am done with my eyeliner. So tell me, how's it looking? After that we'll go with the kajal bit. काजल लगाना है हमको अपर साइड में, है ना, अपने अपर साइड वाले आईज पे इधर पे लगा के it will look more pretty. I'll be back to you. So yes, I have applied a kajal because I have a very small eyes, so that's why watery हो गया थोड़ा सा. We'll go with mascara. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? I know my eyes are very watery, that's why मेरे ना थोड़े बहुत ज़्यादा आंसू आने लगे हैं, but I am sure it's looking pretty much good. So let's go with the other makeup now. I'll start with my eyebrows. So I'll just do eyebrows because I'm having a bit of cold, so I'm thinking to make it a very short video. I'll just do my eyebrows and then I'll do a lip combo, which is my favorite one. Then after that I'll just end my video. So let's do it. Start with a lip combo. So I'm using a shade Cocoa, Swiss Beauty. So just liner lip. Faces Canada lipstick in my fingertip because मैं इसे ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना चाहती हूँ after lining my lips. I'll just use it like this. I'll just dab it here. It's good. I'll use a bit of red lipstick of Manish Malhotra, which I'll use in my very hair. So yeah, it's almost done. I have just, it's done.